This is John. Since it's been a little late, but I'm very happy to all welcome you here. First of all, thanks to the Erhan that organized this amazing event, which is, we are, I know, a hard times as Web3 community. So I feel you, but it's really great, again, to see all you here together. And I hope that who is actually missed this event will miss lots of things, and they wish to be here in the future. So today, as Coinoxs, I would like to speak about what is incubation and how important is it for ecosystem. So let me introduce myself. Firstly, my name is John. Actually, Khan in writing, but it's John in pronunciation. I'm the founder and the CEO of the Coinoxs. Coinoxs is an incubation hub located in Istanbul and branched in Dubai. So what we do? Actually, at first, we thought start reselling the blockchain products in Coinoxs since 2019. So maybe you bought cold wallets from us because we are distributor of Ledger, Trezor, OneKey, and the Cool Wallet in Turkey, in B2B and B2C case, and exclusive in some of them. Maybe you actually a Coinoxs customer, but you are not aware of it. So when we start to give service of blockchain reselling, I had very big experience about how the corporates and good projects suffer to get good services about marketing, tokenomics, and business development stuff. And at the end, why they tokenize themselves? Just for loyalty? I don't think so. Maybe it's all about money, but in a right way. So we help them to get the right fund with right partner and actually don't dump their token while they try to survive in this ecosystem. So I have already summarized. So these are our customers and partners. Yes, Turkcell, maybe you don't know about it, but we had designed a metaverse experience in our Decentraland for Turkcell, EcoTurk, Rushaway. Like, we have lots of projects. We have lots of Launchpad partners. We have lots of exchange partners, which are not listed here. And as you know, Avionics is incubated by Coinoxs. It's an amazing project about aviation. So my presentation is Turkish for Turkish people, but I will continue as in English. So why is getting in Web3 is important for companies? First of all, it's very hard to find good investor for your good idea, right? So you go for next to one big investor and he wants a huge share, especially for Turkish ecosystem. They want 10% for $100,000 or $10,000 for 10, like really interesting ratios. So we have equity-based crowdfunding nowadays, but actually equity-based crowdfunding also heavily regulated in Turkey and globally. So they also struggle to raise the funds and at the end integrate it as a service in their products. So Web3 give you an advantage to get funded easily and give you and your customer an opportunity to use your tokens as a service or some other utilities, which gives this some control in your product, which it's an emotional impact on the marketing cases. So the problem actually about tokenization processes for the institutions and good projects, it's mostly we don't have really corporate services and service providers in Web3. most of the service providers are even not a company and they are not experienced. If you ask about traction, or maybe it's their second or first project, maybe they are testing something on your project and it will be fail or successful in both ways. So we have lots of use cases as Coinoxs and experience to smoothly actually transfer this Web3 transformation for the entities. Yes. So actually we are very early, but a little in the middle, I guess, the decade of the Web3 transformation. As you know, Meta, Facebook, it's about to get in metaverse and Web3 wallet ecosystem. Apple, actually, they are already interested in some wallet integrations. AWS has Oracle services, and Microsoft has already another department about blockchain. So when I'm talking about Web3, it's not just tokenization, it's also Oracles and blockchain network. So statically, in 2022, Microsoft 40% actually get in Web3. So we actually can guess that most of the biggest companies like Adidas, Nike, Google, and Gucci already have some NFT or cloud system or Oracle service provides or like any other Web3 departments in their companies. So actually, Web3 projection in the future is huge because it's canceling a layer between customer and the entity itself. So we have an incubation program in Coinoxs, which currently we have contract with 6 projects. One of it's Avionics, they are doing amazing with huge experience. So we choose Web2 successful business models with successful startups and help them and giving them idea if they need to, if they wish to get in Web3. And we offer them a share from tokens and we give them one-to-one service and a turnkey solution for Web3 transformation, which takes 6 months approximately, end up with funding. So we support them as business intelligence, which is very important. So not all the business models need to be tokenized. So sometimes we don't tokenize them, we help them to integrate the blockchain technology in the product and make everything much more better for the customer. After blockchain and business intelligence, we write them a right token economics with our team. We have 20 brilliant people in our team. So at the end, we actually decide to do it decentralized. So Oxstart incubation program, it's connected to the OxDAO, which is a decentralized incubation DAO, which is right now alive. You can check our website at the end with our QR code. So all we know about Web3, it's mostly driven by a community. So here, as in my previous sentences, I have talked about offering some percentage from tokens, right? As Coinoxs in the Oxstart incubation program. So we share some portions of the tokens with our audience just for holding the NFT of the OxDAO and interacting in our platform, adding value to the incubated project. For example, social impact, medium articles, or some codes, or marketing, whatever support this community member can give to the incubated project will get points. At the end, within this DAO, they can transfer their points to the airdrops of the project. And we have our own token. It's a governance token. And we already started to launch our NFT project. It will be launched on December. Yes. And in OXDAO, it's a complete incubation service that we have a KYT solution. It's Know Your Transaction. Not now, but in the MiCA regulations, in the DAO members, incubated projects or the DAO members, they will need to know your transaction service. In Ox KYT, right now it's a ready product. We have B2B customers right now. They can check the risks about their customers or the smart contracts or the people they are trading with. So in Ox Build, it's connected to the OXDAO also. It's a service that if you want to commit in any advisory or any other support to any project via our platform, and you complete the task, you are rewarded by our token. And I have already talked about Oxstart incubation program. About Ox Connect, we have a physical hub based in a very luxury place of Istanbul, Nişantaşı Teşvikiye. It's in front of the Cities Mall since 2019. So if you're going to shopping for Cities Mall, you will see a very big yellow table, which Coinoxs with a BTC sign. We are having fun there. You are very welcome. So we are not just a virtual platform. We are a physical hub. And it's a co-working space. You can take your laptop and enjoy our nice coffee and our nice community, cool community. So for example, tomorrow we have a big event for an exchange, and we are trying to keep our community hype by the time. Yes, so I have already talked about that. Yes, thanks for listening my presentation. I think it's the last presentation, yeah? And I'm very happy to have you all here since it's the last one. And we have a raffle. As I told, we are exclusive distributor of Cool Wallet, which is one of the biggest Asian cold wallet provider. You can check out my Twitter, which is my name. You can find from here. And on my last tweet, we have making a big raffle, so giving away 5 wallets if you want to join that raffle and enjoy to this. I wish you will win that. Thanks so much. If you have any question, I have more 3 minutes than I can. No questions? Thank you so much.